Okay, here's some pictures of video. Hey Mulligan, it's okay. Just hold on to the net. That's from Mulligan, our little Hans macaw, trying to fit, there you go, trying to figure out how to use the foraging net. And here's Suki, he's kind of trying to play with these toys. And then on what I call the condo up there, we've got Snowball, our Gotham's cockatoo. Here we go. Suki Bear. Oh, y'all are in like birdie heaven. Yes, you are. Oh, don't drop dishes. What are you doing? That would be seed everywhere, Suki. That's a naughty Moluccan. What are you doing? What birds do, Mama? Oh, wait. Hey, Molly. What you doing? Come on, you've got to play. Yeah, I'm a good bird. Lower level. Lower level. Oop. Upside down, upside down. Okay. Get back on your play ring. Woo.
Your phone's ringing.